all these Bryants and carriers here, but yeah, I'm gonna film these though. Oh, these have a nice scroll sound. 2012. Run true. Never heard of this unit. It has a lines compressor. Looks a lot like a ream or something. It's a 2020 unit, and it's a, I think it's an 18,000 BTU. This one sounds nice. Yeah, these ones aren't running though, but there's more over here. They're all pretty much the same, so oh wait, you know what? There's a plane up there. I think I'm gonna film these ones. When I was here before, one of these turned on. That one just started up. Wait. Yeah. That one also just started up. Okay. Oh, that echo is amazing. And it's kind of vibrating. 2012. I think they're all from 2012. This one also sounds really nice. Oh wow, that one has been serviced. You can see, yeah, that is one of the best sounding scrolls. This one is quiet. Jesus. Okay, I think I gotta like end this soon because, yeah, did you hear that? That was thunder. Even though there's oh, you know what? I'm gonna get to those really quickly. Shit, I think it's raining. I have to make this really quick because there's a thunderstorm that just came out of nowhere. Even though it said that it wouldn't rain tonight, I think I just felt a few drops. So I'm gonna make this very quick because I don't want my GoPro to get wet, but oh, there's so many of them though. Yeah. All of these. They're quiet. They're like really nice units, but they're all the same. Oh, I thought there was a Goodman over here, but there isn't. That one is not running. I love the scroll sound that these units make. I think that was all of them. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here because it's probably gonna rain. Like, look at the clouds. But there's so many of them. Like, this is a huge, massive complex. It's a heat pump heaven. So yeah.